Welcome, welcome viewers to our channel Jai Jagannath. Today we will discuss Class 8 History Chapter 1 How, When and Where. Already Part 1 and Part 2 uploaded. You can check it in the playlist. Now we will discuss what official record do not tell. From this vast corpus of records, we can get to know a lot, but we must remember that these are official records. There are so many records. We know that from official records we can get the data. They tell us what officials thought, what they were interested in, and what they wish to preserve the posterity. That means officials record will tell you what. What are the officials? Official needed that, but they did not show the public grievances, public outrages. Obviously, as the public outrages were against government, that's why they did not. And what they wish to preserve the posterity. These records do not always help us understand what other people in the country felt and what lay behind their actions. And what are the actions, what are the foundations behind their actions, and what other people, what the countryside people felt about their ruling, their administration. Even their administration is somehow bad. It does not tell about that. For what? For that we need to look elsewhere. When we begin to search for these other sources, we find them in plenty. But when we research in other sources, strange sources, then we find a lot of data. We have diaries of people, account of pilgrims like and travelers like how and have you heard that name? Zheng Zhang, Shuang Zhang, Zheng Zhang, Shuang Zhang, Shuang Zhang, Hain. These are the travelers. Them they used from Haiyan, Zhenzhen. They are the travelers. From their data, their record, their ID, we can get to know some data about that. But this is not found in the official record. Autobiographies of important personalities like Diggu, like the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, Bal we get that data. Question. And popular booklets that are sold in local bazaars or from the booklet that are sold in local bazaars. As printing spread, newspaper were published. Then after what happened? After printing was established, newspaper were printed, published, and discussed in public, debated. It is good or bad. It is required for administration or not required. That are things were debated in the newspaper, and people reading newspaper get that, and they also took participation in the debate. Leaders and reformers wrote to spread their ideas. Obviously, the leaders and reformers what they want, they write. Poets and novelists wrote to their express their feeling. From that means we get the data, not we get the data not only from official record but also from autobiographies, readers, then travelers' accounts like that. All these sources, however, were produced by those who were literate. Obviously, the writer must write, then he must be literate. From this, we will not be able to understand how history was experienced and lived by the tribals and peasants. But we cannot get the data how the peasants, how the tribal people lived in the ancient period. And the workers in the mines or the poor or the street, getting to know their life is a more difficult task. Why it is a difficult task? What do you think? Why the collection of their data is a difficult task? Have you any idea? Kaushik or Kanchal? No. Because I told earlier that from October the right we can get the data if it is written then they must be literate. But when we consider the cases of peasants and tribal peoples, they were not literate at that time. They were only cultivating lands or like that. They were not literate at that time. That's why no one was literate among the community. That's why no one can write the diaries, the lifestyle of that community in that picture. That's why we cannot get the data of that picture. Understand? Because there was no literate persons in that community, in that group. Yet this can be done if we make a little bit of effort. When you read the book, you will see how this can be done. Look at source 1 and 2. Do you find any difference in nature of reporting? Explain what you observe. Then question answer discussion. State whether true or false. James Mill divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, Christian. No. Then official documents help us understand what the people of country think. Yes or no? No. What people of the country think? Because your record. These records do not always help us understand what other people in the country felt. That they in the country, what other people felt. These records do not help to get the data. So, second is also false. The British thought surveys were important for effective administration. True or false? True. ठीक है. Okay, let's discuss. What is problem with periodization of Indian history that James Mill occurred? Then, why did the British preserve official documents for better administration like that? Then, how will the information historians get from old newspaper different from found in police report? Because in police record you find the officials record, but the historians, but in newspaper the public debate was there and the public participation was there. But in police record, the police report only official record was there, and then may not be discussed what is the people's reaction. British preserve official document. Why? Because to good and for the ruling, they have to first understand the topography, nature and nature of the people and what are the rules and regulations, administration system. They first want to know the system. That's why they maintain to write and keep a record so that future historians should future administration should be thoroughly checked. What are the improvements or what are the not? What is the problem with the periodization of Indian history that James will oppose? Here, in the first two pages, it was already discussed in part 1. Okay, you have to write that. Thank you for watching. And uh, we will discuss the second chapter, that is from trade to territory, in next class. Thank you.